Hi, my name's Ashley McBride. Today I'm going to be doing a sheep brain dissection. Okay, to begin, this white removed portion, this is the meninges. It's the 3-layer membrane on the brain. And then if we flip it over here, this middle part here, how can you see that middle part here? That's the midbrain. Back here you've got the medulla oblongata. Kind of have it covered. Here we go. The medulla oblongata. And then on the outside of the brain here, you've got this actual covering here is called the cerebral cortex. The little canals on here, the wrinkle marks, those are sulci. And then the area between them that curves up, those are called gyri. People call them ridges. As far as areas of the brain, this frontmost area, this is the frontal lobe. The middle here, except for the sides, kind of more the top middle, that's the parietal lobes. And then back here you've got the occipital lobes. On either side, you've got the temporal lobes. And then if we open it up, so this middle line here that I'm going to open it upon is the lateral or longitudinal fissure, and then there's kind of a darker line that goes over the top. That's the lateral fissure. If we open it up here, got some structures inside. So the innermost piece here, right in here area, that's the corpus callosum. Here you've got the thalamus, and then the hypothalamus, and then in the cerebellum, let's see, in the cerebellum here, there's some areas that are lighter colored and some areas that are darker colored. The lighter areas are called white matter, and the darker areas are called gray matter, and these are in the cerebellum. And thank you.